So the question asks, Colombia would incur an opportunity cost of 24 pounds of coffee if it increased the production of soybeans by. So the first thing we're going to do is cross this out because we're focusing on Colombia. And we're going to look at these points right here. This tells us that Colombia can produce a maximum of either 6 soybeans in one day, or whatever the time period is, or it can produce up to 12 units of coffee. So what we do is we find out the opportunity costs and we can relate it by doing these ratios right here. So what we're going to do, divide 6 on both sides, and we get a 1-to-2 ratio. Now perhaps I'm going to circle this in red because now there are two ways of thinking about this. Some may look at this and immediately go to answer choice A, which they would be correct because they realize that because it's a 1-to-2 ratio, 2 represents the coffee, and if we have 24 pounds of coffee, then we simply take half of that and we would get 12. A second way of looking at this would be if we have a 6-to-12 ratio and this doubled to 24, then what does this value have to be? Well, we could simply cross multiply and divide, and we'd find that the answer would be 12 as well.